Hey everyone, and welcome to another unboxing from EMK. Now today you can see we have a Back to the Future coin. We have shown you some Back to the Future coins in the past, but this one is a little bit different. Let's have a look. It is the 2021 Back to the Future time machine shaped 2-ounce antique silver coin. Say that 3 times quickly. Now we said time machine. When we're talking time machine and Back to the Future, of course, we are talking about the DeLorean. So this is a DeLorean shaped coin. Now inside, this is our certificate of authenticity. And of course, this gives us some more information about Back to the Future if you needed some more, and about the coin itself, which is great. Here, of course, are the specifications for this coin. It is 999 silver and a weight of 2 ounce, as I mentioned before. And it's got a great mintage of 888. And this coin, as we can see there, is 842. Now, it is a licensed product of Back to the Future, and the licensing is under the coin company, which is great. So let's have a look inside. Now, we have done some coins from the coin company in the past, some of the Jurassic Park ones you may remember, and they did give them in this cool plastic perspex, I want to say, which you can stand up there and have as display. Great to have sort of in your entertainment area, show it off to your friends. But of course, to get to the coin itself, we'll take that off and we will lift the coin out there ever so gently. Very cool imaging on this packaging as well. So I appreciate the fact you can use it, of course, to store your coin, but also to present it as well. Now let's start here with the obverse of the coin. This is, of course, Queen Elizabeth II. And as mentioned before, this has been pressed in 2021. And it's $5. $5 for the country of Niue. Now check that out. That is one awesome coin. Very cool. Got a lot of detail on this product. Just great. And that is a massive coin. Wow. So for any of those of you out there who are looking to extend on your Back to the Future coin set or coin collection, this will be available on our website.